In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a discount on the Fresha dashboard efficiently. If you're managing a business and using Fresha, enhancing your marketing strategies with promotions and discounts can draw in more clients and foster customer loyalty. So let's dive into how you can easily activate a discount with just a few clicks. First, you'll want to log into your Fresha dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a vertical menu filled with various options that help you navigate through Fresha's many features. One of these options is dedicated to marketing. Look for an icon that resembles a megaphone. This is where you'll click to access the marketing section. This section is where you can manage all your promotions, craft new deals, and identify the most effective ways to reach your clientele. After clicking on the marketing icon, you'll see a subcategory labeled Deals, located under the Promotions section also along the left side. Click into Deals. It's essentially your command center for managing all special offers and discounts you've set up to attract your customers. Once here, you'll find a list of all the discounts that you've created previously. It's organized so you can quickly search through them and find exactly what you're looking for. Now, go ahead and scroll through this list until you locate the specific discount you want to activate. Next to each discount, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 dots lined vertically. This is a versatile button offering additional options for each discount. Click on these 3 dots next to the discount you've selected. A small menu will pop up, providing you with a few options including Activate. Clicking on Activate is your final step, and it's as simple as that. The discount is now live and available for your customers to use. And there you have it. You've successfully activated a discount on your Fresha dashboard, ensuring your business remains competitive and appealing to new and existing clients alike. Remember that keeping your list of discounts up to date and properly managed can play a crucial part in maintaining an advantageous marketing strategy. By revisiting these deals often, you can adjust your offerings based on customer demand and seasonal promotions. The more efficiently you utilize these tools, the better you'll position your business for growth and success. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and straightforward, allowing you to expand your business's reach effortlessly. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your business with Fresha and other useful insights.